Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Twitter display name and then your Twitter handle. Before we get to that, let me show you real quick which one we refer to when we say name and handle. The handle or username is the one with the @ symbol and how most people find and tag you. If you go onto your profile and look at the top name, that's your display name. I'll show you first how to change your Twitter handle. From the home screen of the mobile app, tap the 3-line menu button on the top left and then in here choose Settings and Privacy. At the top, tap Account, and on the next menu, tap Username. Inside of here, you'll see your current username or handle, and then under that is where you can enter the new one that you want to use. Select New and then Continue when it asks you if you're sure. Type in a username that you want to use, and if it's taken, you'll see it highlight red. When you find one that isn't taken, you'll get a green check mark. When you're ready, tap Done on the top right. To change your profile display name, go back to the home page and tap the 3-line menu button again. Now though, select Profile. On the top of your profile page, choose Edit Profile. Here you'll find the name field where you can edit your display name. Make your changes and then when you're ready, hit Save at the top right. And that's how you change your Twitter profile display name and username handle. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.